I can hear a very reluctant guest. Oh, can I help you?
Yeah? You might offer Winston a bottle.
Winston?
There.
Winston.
Tilt it up so he can get the milk. Oh, that's great.
Now, this is Winston, and what is Winston?
Winston is a
Besides
recent,
hungry.
a recent or a European bison, and they're very interesting in that they're similar to our native bison and had the same problems in that they almost became extinct.
He's going through this, you know. Does he get angry? I mean, does he get mad when it's done?
Well...
You want to be on a nickel?
If he's still hungry. We brought him because he's a very large animal. He's only 3 weeks old. And when he's full grown, he'll stand 6 foot at the shoulder.
I'm running out fast here.
We wanted to bring him before he got any bigger.
He's, That's
okay.
it. I'm awful sorry. sorry, that's it. Nope. I'm awful, so that's it. No more. Nope. Easy. Whoa, easy. Oh, that's more like it. Something to sleeping.
Let's keep the milk coming on that one.
Ah, now that is a very big rat.
No. This is a bush dog.
A bush dog?
She was sent to us from the West Berlin Zoo, and they received her from South America. And they're an endangered species.
Can you hear?
Hunt in packs. Hey, you would talk? You a good girl, huh? You good?
Aww.
Huh? Oh, she loves people. Huh?
A bush dog.
They're not too commonly found in zoos. We've raised about 12 of them. You want to hold her?
Sure.
She likes you to hold her on her back and rub her belly.
Well, so do I. I'm in room 607. Look at this, going to sleep. A bush dog and me one day, going down the trail. Came upon old bush dog and said, "Hail, hail." Is he dead? What is he? More.
I don't think she knows she's a bush dog.
What?
I don't think she knows she's a bush dog. She's,
Yeah. What does a bush dog eat?
rodents.
Rodents?
Oh, she goes on like this for hours. She's really a funny animal. Most of them are fairly good around people if they've been handled a lot, but she's an exception.
It's like a Mattel toy.